pandas dataframe filter to return true for all rows. How? Hi, I have a filter M set that is flexible enough to change by me. Sometimes, I want to filter by car or x_ft_body, or any of the various other fields, etc. Sometime I want to have all of the rows returned by commenting and uncommenting the required lines, but without changing the subsequent code, after the filter M line. How can I have a filter that will return true for all rows, when I don't want the filters applied? For example something like 1 = 1, but I know this doesn't work. I don't want to set fata.somefield.notNull, etc. as I will not be too sure if this field will be always not null or not. Also I do not want to change subsequent code to be like data.groupby. I.e. without the m.
You can create bool constant and change final mask by it. And first solutions.
Ele o voto terceira hora, que não se consiga esse tipo.